afraid it's that time of the year when Rocky gets the stuffies.
Uh-oh. I think I have
The stuffies? We know.
the Gigaflower must be in bloom. It always gives me the stuffies.
I've heard that Giga's nectar is yummy, but the way Giganto guards it, I'll never taste it. You know what, Rocky? I've been doing some research, and I think I've discovered something that might clear up your stuffies.
Really? What?
The roots of the zuzu trees. They're very rare and only grow in the jungle. Right about here. I've heard they can clear up stuffy crests. I'll go get you some.
That would be great, Mazu.
And I'll paint you a new Giganto card to cheer you up. I'll just run to the grotto to get a new paintbrush. And I'll go get you some fruit for breakfast.
Hey, guys, I'm not sick. I just have the stuffies.
But we don't mind, Rocky. Yeah, we want to help you. Be back soon.
I sure am lucky to have such good friends. My favorite card. Hey, Giganto, I bet you never get the stuffies, do you? You're perfect.
Look! The Gigaflower must be blooming. Oh, that makes me hungry.
Everything makes you hungry, brother. What's that noise?
It sounds like a weird fish parade.
Or a T-Rex with a toothache.
Or maybe it's my stomach.
Nope. Oh, it's the Parasnorolophus. What a racket.
Look! What's that?
Let's check it out.
Hey, my card. Where is it?
You mean this thing?
Yeah, that's mine. Give it back.
Relax. It's just a stone.
It's not just a stone. It's important to me.
If you want it that bad, I'll make you a deal. You get us a Gigaflower by lunchtime, and we'll give you your stone back.
But the Gigaflower makes me... Maybe I can beat Giganto to the ravine and take a Gigaflower before he gets there. I just hope I don't sneeze too hard. Uh-oh. On second thought, that came in kind of handy. The Gigaflower! Oh, but Giganto got to it first. But hey, his arms are too short to reach the flowers. Maybe he'll leave. Oh, I guess not. But if he can't reach it, then why is he staying?
Rocky! Where did he go? Did you hear that? Rocky, what are you doing out here?
The Raptors took my favorite Giganto card and they won't give it back until I bring them a Gigaflower. But Giganto's guarding them. I don't know what he's waiting for. He can't reach them anyway.
Maybe you can sneak past him.
How can I do that with this loud honker?
Here, let's see if this Zuzu root will clear up your stuffies.
Oh, it feels nice and soothing. I think it's working. Oh no, that made it worse. Now I'm hugging even louder. I'll never be able to sneak past Giganto.
Yay! Did I say Zuzu tree? Maybe I meant the woo-woo tree.
Thanks for trying, guys.
Maybe we just need something that will stay in place.
I'll try anything.
that should muffle all the honking in style.
Hey, no more honking. This might just work. Yeah!
Oops, wow, this thing's pretty heavy. Oops, maybe I added a little too much mud. But you look good.
Thanks. I just need a little practice. Time to go pick some flowers.
Whoa! We'll help you.
Okay, here we are. It looks like Giganto's sleeping. Perfect time to sneak in there with my quiet crest.
But wait, Rocky, it's a long way up to the flower. We'll come too.
Oh.
We can make a dino pole so you can reach it. Come on, everybody on my shoulders.
Okay, but quietly.
Huh. Where'd my nest go? I thought I had one in this tree. Aha, there it is. How did it get down there?
Okay, Flower, come to Rocky, but don't make me sneeze. Huh? Archie?
Rocky? Sorry, I thought you were a nest.
Let's get out of here.
I was so close to getting that flower. Now I never will. All because of my crest.
Wait, what's he doing?
Check it out. Giganto's small arms couldn't reach the flower, but they sure are good at getting into that crack where the nectar is dripping.
So that's why he waits by the flower every year, to let the nectar drip down to where he can reach it. Smart dino. Yep, I have got to record that. You know, I always saw Giganto's short arms as a disadvantage.
But look how useful they can be. Maybe every disadvantage can be useful. Hey, I've got an idea.
Why does he care so much about this silly thing anyway?
Maybe I can eat it.
All I'm saying is you eat a lot of stuff that most dinos wouldn't touch. I mean, come on, you ate a stinky flower once. So what's so impossible to eat about that thing?
Okay, guys, cover your ears.
Gotcha! Great job, Rocky. You got your card back. Do I look that silly when I'm scared? Where'd it come from?
Where did it go?
Hopefully not this way. Maybe not quite that silly.
Thanks for helping me, you guys. I guess having a noisy crest turned out to be useful after all. Whoa! Is it my imagination? Or does Giganto sound like me?
I don't know, sort of. He could be imitating your sound, Rocky. Maybe he likes it.
You think so? Then I want to be this noisy all the time.